Yo, what is up guys? Guido here, back again with another video, and in this video I'm going to show you guys how to install exhaust tips onto your car. So as you can see, this is just the regular exhaust pipe and it looks pretty crappy and nasty, so I'm going to show you guys how to put some nicer chrome exhaust tips on your car, which will make your car look a lot nicer with the big nice chrome tips. So let's just get straight into the video. So I'm using these U-Power chrome stainless steel tips right here, and as you see, they're just going to go on there just like that. And they're 4 inches, so it's gonna fit the little cutout of the 2012 Chevy Impala bumper really nicely. And yeah, I'll link these in the description. I think they're like 50 bucks or something, so it's a pretty cheap upgrade that you can do that'll make your car look a lot nicer. And if you want, you can get clamp-on exhaust tips where they just go and they clamp on there, so you don't have to weld or anything, but I'm gonna be welding these on here, a little bit more of a permanent solution, and it's gonna look a lot nicer, cleaner, and more professional. So yeah, that is what I'm gonna be doing, and I'm gonna show you guys how to do that in this video. So I'm gonna be using a different exhaust tip adapter here. This will vary depending on, what size your exhaust pipe is and, the tip you go with and stuff like that. But depending on what size your pipe is and your tip is, you may need one of these, and I'm gonna be using it. So it's just gonna slide over just like that, and then the tip's gonna go and weld on there just like that. Also, make sure you guys, before you're welding around the car and on the car, make sure you guys go and take out the battery, or either just go and disconnect the terminals like this. You don't want to go and short out anything or mess up the computer of your vehicle, so make sure you go and do that most important step. Okay, so now what we're gonna do is we're actually gonna weld our little adapter piece onto the tip, just so it's easier instead of doing it under the vehicle. We're just gonna do this now, and then once the tip is welded to the adapter, we can just slide it onto the actual pipe itself and then weld it, so it's easier for us. So as you see, we just went and welded it on there. We're actually gonna go and clean up the weld just a little bit to make it look a little nicer, but nice. So as you can see, we also went and got the other one welded up as well. Look at those welds. Okay, as you can see, we're kind of mocking it up of where we want to have it and how far you want it to stick out. You don't want your pipe to go and stick out super far, because then it's just going to look stupid, but this is perfect because it's far out enough where you can see it and you can see the U-Power emblem on there. So that's probably where we're going to weld it right there. So as you can see, we have both of the tips completely on there and installed and welded up. You can kind of hear it a little bit. Obviously, it's just a tip. It's not really going to make any, noise difference or anything. But as you can see, they look pretty sweet. And it's got the U-Power emblem on there. Make sure you guys like and subscribe, and peace.